You might have seen the previous video I made on this bracket that fits the SwitchBot button presser. And the reason I made that was because back then, none of my RF transmitters were working. So the only way for me to be able to control the garage door without having to manually open it is to have this device press the button for me. Now, 2 days ago, I got a new garage door opener. So, now it's replaced with a smart wall switch, so this one is no longer being used, so I have to go back to the drawing board. And instead of mounting this onto the wall in the garage, I created this bracket that will fit one of the standard transmitters. So all you do is you remove the clip and you slide this in just like that, and then now there are 2 slots that you can fit up to 2 SwitchBot presser. Now I only have 1, and I just programmed this big button, so I can just put it right here. But if you have another one, obviously you can put it here, or you can have both, right? So now what I can do is I can just use my watch. I can say open garage, as simple as that. And there's a slot built at the bottom, so when you want to remove it, just press on it. Very lightweight, very simple to install. You can just leave this on the table, behind a picture frame. I mean, this existing product is still available if anybody's interested, but I think this one is just so much cooler.